morning, everyone, and welcome to the one-day course to honor your body, your mind, your soul, and your spirit. I want to say congratulations for taking action and kickstarting your healing. This morning, we have an activity that is going to honor us in all of those areas. I want to share with you the process of detoxification. For me, that begins with intermittent fasting. I can achieve that most efficiently by doing intermittent fasting. And what I mean by that is the sweet spot is about 16 hours of not consuming any calories. And the only way that I've been able to do that is to skip breakfast. So this morning I have a recipe of coffee and 2 tablespoons coconut oil and 1 tablespoon cashew butter. I've never done that before, so I'm excited to try it. And it's actually 2 cups of coffee. So what this does is this allows you to be able to stretch out that time that you don't eat. So it will help you get to that 16-hour sweet spot. And the reason it does that is because cashew butter and coconut oil are both healthy fats. And healthy fats make you feel full or satiated, so they help you extend that period of time. So let's go ahead and get this recipe going. What I did first is I mixed the coconut oil and the cashew butter in my Ninja so I could get it nice and smooth. So I'm going to go ahead and just mix this together and see how it tastes. I do the coconut oil often. You can do this anywhere from every other day to once a week. It's healthy. And the reason you do this is so that you can allow your body to have time to use that energy to increase your metabolism or boost your metabolism. And that is very healthy for you. I also like to add about 5 drops of stevia. This one has vanilla flavoring in it. Just to give it a little bit extra goodness. And the stevia does not raise your sugar level, so that's a good thing. And always remember, if you are diabetic, please consult with your doctor ahead of time. So this will help you start your process of detoxification. So enjoy this, and I want you to go ahead and meet me in the next video.